Hey, so what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry about I had to remove yesterday's video. A friend of mine wanted me to show you a little something which I will add on to the video a bit later. Okay, so this is still the video of Branson Tay. Okay, but let me just go through it again for those who have not watched the video yet and the others who will also be searching this topic. Okay, so basically what Branson Tay is doing in this video is taking it to two different sites. Okay, so he's showing you that you can earn by watching videos 71 cents in US dollars per video, but this is completely untrue. Branson Tay is outright lying. He's been known to be scamming people or taking advantage or deceptive marketing and misleading people. However you want to look at it, it all still remains the same, and this is a huge problem on YouTube. It's not just Branson Tay. There are other YouTubers doing this as well, showing you ways, methods that will actually never earn you any money online, guys. Okay. This was pointed out to me by the same person who gave me a little insight into YouTube, how you guys can actually do this as well. Guys, you can do this as well. I'm doing this now. I started this channel about 2 months ago. So now that I've actually seen the metrics, I'm going to be focusing much more on this channel and another similar channel like this of mine. Okay, I do have two Gmail accounts, so I do run a lot of YouTube channels. This is a brand new Gmail account, actually Outlook account, which I had to make a Gmail account with because I wanted to try and go into this make money online niche myself. Okay, I'm going to show you why exactly, but first let me just show you what Branson Tay shows you here. Okay, well, how he's lying to you guys. So he tells you to go to this site, which is basically Zoombox, and he's going to tell you you can watch videos here online. Just show you. And he says basically that there is 358 videos for you to watch, premium views, but this is so untrue, guys. This is complete bullshit. Branson Tay is lying. I can't believe it. People utterly lie on YouTube like this. YouTube has become a platform where people can literally take candy from babies or whatever you may call it. This is open-eyed lies. This is crime. Someone should do something about this. Okay, and I can't believe that people actually believe this. If you read the comments down below, he tells subscribers that this method works worldwide, but it does not. You can see here. So what he does basically is he asks people to comment what country they're from and if they are champions. So they comment that, and negative comments will never go to the top. Okay. See, not available from Nigeria, not available. Okay, basically you can see it's not working for his subscribers. Now he says once you go here, you'll see that you can watch the videos here. Let me show you. There's only basically one video to watch, and this is from Hideout TV. Now guys, Hideout TV only accepts viewers from 5 to 8 different countries. If you are not in those that geographical range, you will not be accepted. It's just as plain as it is. You can't even get accepted with a VPN. Okay. Now there's only one video. Now I'll show you how he changed this to 358. I can do it too. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, let me make it. Yeah, see, and now we have 2,341 videos to watch. Guys, Branson Tay is the only one making money off these videos. He's the only person that's actually gaining any money, doing 2 hours worth of work a day for thousands of dollars worth of earnings per month. And I'll show you in just a minute what the earnings look like. Okay. And then he basically says you should go to this website, okay, where you watch videos or whatever, but look at their about channel. You cannot earn money watching videos on this site. These people don't pay anyone for watching videos on this site. This is basically like, for example, like an open source streaming service where people can stream their stuff and you can watch it here, news or whatever. You will not earn money by watching any of these videos. Okay, There's no money watching these videos. Okay, and I see so many people get stuck in this circle of this lies. And guess what? You're wasting your time. You can start a YouTube channel with literally no money. If you've got a phone, you can start a YouTube channel. If you've got a PC, you can start a YouTube channel. The software, it's available, it's free. It's free for you to download. If you want free software, comment down below. I'll give you the links to the software. It's free video editing software. If you don't have a mic, you can just, there's apps that you can use so your phone can become a mic for you, or you can just buy a cheap mic. There's free screen recording software, which is what I use. Okay, now let me show you how Branson Tay earns. Okay, this is his second channel. Okay, look at his earnings per month. Okay, and he started this channel about 3 months ago. This is his second channel. Okay, started it 3 months ago. Look at his earnings. Okay, now per day, $5 to $84, $7 to $105. Okay, $18 to $284. This is for today. Okay, now there's another Branson Tay channel, which is damn it. Okay, he's got a main channel and he's got this one. And his other channel is much bigger. It has been running on there for years. Okay, see this one. Okay. He's also got copycats now. Now look at this channel, his daily earnings. Okay, so this guy is making money. Okay, you are not going to make money. Okay, so let me just show you the earnings for YouTube, for which I've been given. Is my friend gave me a screenshot of his earnings for YouTube. This is his earnings. As you can see there, it's quite a lot of money just for 1 month. So this is all estimated earnings. Okay, this is all estimated earnings, but look at this. Look how much he made for the month of July. That's July only. So you guys can do the same. Instead of coming online watching other people showing you how to make money, you can go out and do this yourself. And I'm going to be showing you methods how to be doing this yourself. Also, another thing what Branson Tay does is he's selling a course. Now, these courses, they have been known to have a very low success rate. Most of these courses, they keep you on a monthly subscription where you have to pay $50 a month. It's cheap to buy in the first time, which you pay $70, or you get a free entry. Give you some small time training, which will really not help you. And there's always something you need to buy that will make you succeed. This is not true. You do not need it. All you need is internet, PC, screen recording software, and video editing software. That's all. Thumbnails you can get for free. All of the other stuff you can get for free and get started with your YouTube channel. So guys, if you want me to show you this, I actually bought a course on this. I will show you in the next video. I will show you how that I've really bought the course. It's from NDFL's Tube Takeoff course. I bought it 2 years ago. I never actually took action with the course. Okay, and then when I started taking action, I saw results. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the course and I'll show you exactly how to get started with a YouTube channel for basically nothing, for free. All you need is electricity, your PC, your phone, internet. That's all of it. Okay, so guys, I hope you found this video very helpful, and please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with any other people that may be hooked onto this. Because this is basically just wasting your time. You will be going nowhere. They'll be making all the money. Within 12 months from now, you haven't taken action. You've still been watching these videos, going to these websites where they'll be making like cents a day or nothing at all, or just plain up scam sites, and he will have made much more money. Okay, his subscriber base is growing while yours is not, because you are just consuming content, you are not creating content. So I hope this was very helpful for you guys. I will see you in the next video.